Rainforest Animal Adaptations. The rainforest is a very wet and sometimes dangerous place to live, but animals have special adaptations that help them survive. This is an anaconda. An anaconda can become infested with ticks, so he emits a terrible smell to keep them away. This is a gorilla. She has special hair that protects her from biting insects and keeps her warm. This is an orangutan. He lives in the tree canopy. His arms can be up to 7 feet long to help him hang onto branches. This is a parrot. She has waterproof feathers so the water runs off and she dries quickly. This is a Bengal tiger. She has stripes for camouflage and very soft pads on her feet. Both help her sneak up on her prey. This is a toucan. His vivid colors help camouflage him in the rainforest canopy. This is a red-eyed tree frog. His red eyes help him see at night. They also scare his predators so that he can escape. This is a blue morpho butterfly. She is blue on top and brown underneath. When she flies, the color change confuses predators so she can escape. If I lived in the rainforest, I would. The end.